In this video lecture, I would be discussing about the solution of problems that are generally appear in the university exams, how we need to solve the problems that are generally given on theodolite with base inaccessible case. Now first we should know what is the problem that we need to solve. The problem is that an observer on the top of a cliff, which is 20 meters above sea level, observes the angles of depression of two ships at anchor to be 60° and 30° respectively. Now we need to find out the distance between the ships if the lines joining them point to the cliff base on which the observer is observing the two ships. Now first we need to draw the situation on a plain paper. Now if this is the situation, that is, an observer is standing on the top of a cliff, the cliff base is at P and the top of the cliff is at T. Now here or from here the observer observes the two ships, that is ship 1 which is anchored at A and ship 2 which is anchored at C. The two angles are 30° and 60° from the observer to the ships which are anchored at A and C respectively, and the height of the cliff is 20 meters. So we need to find out the distance between A and C where the two ships are anchored. So what we can do is that we can see that two triangles have been formed. One is triangle BAT, another is triangle BCT. So we need to solve it one by one. Now in triangle BAT, firstly we consider this, or we can say ABT. Angle BAT equal to 30° and BT is 20 meters. So generally if we need to find out the height of BT, we go by the formula d tan theta. D is basically the distance between A and B in the given triangle. So if we substitute the values, we have got the value of 20 meters of BT and we have got the angle, that is 30°. So generally BT equal to AB tan 30°, but we do not know the distance AB. So we just need to substitute those values which we know. So AB equal to BT divided by tan 30°, or AB equal to 20 divided by tan 30°, which is equal to 34.64 meters. So we have found out the distance AB. Now why are we finding out the distance AB? It is because of the fact that if we know the distance AB and B, and again we calculate the distance BC, then only by subtracting AB from BC we will get the distance between A and C, which will provide us the solution to this given problem. Next, in angle BCT, we see that BT equal to 20 meters and angle BCT equal to 60°. So again, going by the formula, BT equal to BC tan 60°. But we do not know the distance BC, so we need to substitute those values which we know. So BC equal to BT divided by tan 60°, or 20 divided by tan 60°, which is equal to the distance BC, or 11.55 meters is the distance BC. Next we can see that we have found out the distance AB, which is 34.64 meters, and distance BC is 11.55 meters. So now we can easily find out the distance between A and C, which can be found out by subtracting BC from AB. So by subtraction we find out that the distance is 23.09 meters, which is the distance between the two ships which are anchored at A and C respectively. And in this way we can find out the distance between the two ships, which will provide us a solution to this given problem.